Muntag mga besh mga bay. Lately, there's been tons of videos on YouTube showing how much YouTube pays for 1 million views. And after watching a lot of those videos, it's not much of a surprise that the YouTubers in the United States were making a lot more money than what we're making here in the Philippines. So because I was blessed enough to have 2 videos reach over 1 million views these last couple weeks, today I'm gonna be 100% transparent and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much YouTube paid me for these views. But before I show you my analytics, it's important to understand how YouTube even pays us as YouTubers. So do we get paid for the number of likes? Nope. Do we get paid for the number of subscribers? Nope. Do we get paid for the number of views? Bingo! Alright, so all the annoying ads that are placed on our videos, at the beginning, middle, and at the end, that's how YouTube pays us. But if we get a lot of likes on our video, then the YouTube algorithm will actually share our video more. And so in the long run, a lot of thumbs up will help us make money. And the more subscribers we have, obviously the better chances are that we'll get a sponsored brand deal, which will also make us money. So likes and subscribers in their own way do make us money, but not directly. So thank you Team Spartan for your support. So the other day I asked my followers on Instagram what they thought 1 million views will earn us as YouTubers. And so let's check out their replies. So you can see here that the guesses were anywhere from 500 pesos to 1 million pesos. So quite a big gap. So without further ado, let's see how much I made for 1 million views. So the first video we're gonna look at is one I made a few weeks ago that reached 1.3 million views. The title of this one is Bato Bato Pick, Rock Paper Scissors, where I gave 20,000 pesos to hardworking Filipinos. So here in the analytics, you can see for 1.3 million views, I received $682, which is about 35,000 pesos. So this might be a lot less than most of you thought we get paid as YouTubers, but this is the number that we get after YouTube takes about 45 to 50%. But there are so many different factors that play a role in how much we get paid for 1 million views. One of the big factors is where the viewer's watching from, whether that's in the United States, Saudi Arabia, Philippines. So it all differs depending on where they're watching from. If the viewer's from the United States, then we're gonna get paid a lot more than if the viewer's from the Philippines. And that's because brands or companies in the United States have a lot more money to bid on the ads that are put on the videos. Another factor is how viewer friendly the video is. So if it's kind of bastos or if it's kind of an inappropriate video, then you're basically not gonna make a whole lot of money because companies aren't gonna wanna put their ads on that video. And one last factor that I'm gonna talk about is how many ads you put on the actual video. So a lot of you've noticed that on certain videos, there's like anywhere from 1 ad to like 10 ads. For my first year on YouTube, I had no idea that you can put more than 1 ad on your video. So I wasn't making a whole lot of money by just having 1 ad. If your video is at least 10 minutes or above, then you can put an ad every 30 seconds. But obviously if you put an ad every 30 seconds, then no one's gonna watch it because they're just watching ads. But that's why a lot of YouTubers are making long vlogs so they can put up more than 1 ad because they're not making a whole lot of money if it's just 1 ad. Alright, so right now let's go take a look at another video that I did a few weeks ago that actually hit 2 million views. In this video, my girlfriend and I sang Manok na Pula, but because the video was less than 10 minutes long and the viewers were 90% from the Philippines, I actually didn't make a ton for 2 million views. So let's check out our analytics here. You can see for 2 million views, I made $791 or 40,700 pesos. So if you cut that in half, I only made around $400 for 1 million views, which isn't a ton. And like I said earlier, probably because it's under 10 minutes, so there's only 1 ad, and 90% of the viewers are from the Philippines, which isn't as strong as viewers from the United States or other countries. Alright, so one last video I want to show you guys is a prank I did in Cebu City. In just about 10 months, it hit 1 million views, so let's check out how much money I made from this video. Alright, so here in the analytics, you can see I got 1.1 million views over the span of 10 months. And with this video, YouTube has paid me around $907 US, which is about 46,710 pesos. So the reason I got paid a lot more on this video versus Manok na Pula, even though both were under 10 minutes, is probably because this video had 5.3% watching from the USA, and my latest video, Manok na Pula, only had 1.2% from the USA. So it's a big difference. So you can see how much different the pay is for YouTubers with audience in the US and audience in the Philippines. Pretty dramatic. But there are tons of advantages to vlogging here in the Philippines versus the US. One of them is how engaging and supportive Filipinos are to YouTubers and creators here in the Philippines. I read comments all the time that says, "Don't skip the ad, let's support Kaloy," and even on everyone else's videos. So you definitely do not see that in the States. I've never once read a video from the States where it says, "Don't skip the ad," because that's the first thing we do in the States. Alright, so now you know how much I made from 1 million views here on YouTube. The purpose of this video is not to flex on you guys.
No flex! Zone! Hey.
but to enlighten those who are maybe considering doing YouTube as a career, or even those that are just curious how much we make for 1 million views on YouTube. I remember before I started vlogging, I always wondered how YouTubers even made money. If you like, in a future video, I can explain the other sources of income YouTubers have, not just from Google AdSense, because this is just one way that we make money. And if you guys want to know how much we make on Facebook for 1 million views, then let me know in the comments. So yeah, this video today is super different than the rest of the videos I do, but make sure to hit subscribe if you want to learn more about YouTube, or if you just want to watch some travel vlogs. And salamat sa pagtanaw. Huwag amping mo tanan.